So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in control panel. Click on it. And now once you're on this, where it says view by, you want to make sure you have large icons selected. And then you want to click on mouse. And then you want to click on pointers. So now once you're on this, you can click on scheme. And then you have a bunch of options here. So for me, I'm just going to go with this one, Windows black. And now the cursor changed to black. You could also have a busy icon next to the cursor if your computer's trying to process something. And there's also an option for an hourglass you could add next to your cursor. It's similar to Mac how you have the pinwheel. So let's just say that we select the busy icon and then we click on apply and OK. Whenever the computer wants to process something, then your cursor will change to the hourglass. You could also change the size of the icons themselves. As you can see under scheme, you have large, extra large. And there's also a bunch of other options that you can choose right here under customize. You can go through that if you want. There's even more options if you click on browse. We have a bunch of stuff right here. So yeah, it's a really long list. I'm just going to go with this one. And I click on apply. And now my cursor changed to this. Pretty cool. But yeah, there's a bunch of options you could just go through and then see what you like.